Hello, friends. Today we're working on page 681. This is chapter 9, lesson 8, and we're going to be working with equal parts. So let's start out by reading the teacher instructions down here. Use square, triangle, and trapezoid pattern blocks. Cover each shape with the blocks shown. Trace the lines, show your work, tell me the number of equal parts in each shape. Trace how many equal parts. Okay. So here we have a red trapezoid, a green triangle, and an orange square. Okay, these are our shapes. Now, if I look at every square, they all look different. And they're also going to have different sides, right? Some might be the same number of sides, but looking at the size, they're all different sizes, right? So if you look at these three shapes, can you tell me which one is the biggest shape out of all three? It would be this red trapezoid. And this red trapezoid right here has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay? Then what would be the next bigger shape? It would be the square, right? And this orange square has also 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And then which one out of the three would be the smallest shape? It would be the green triangle, right? And the green triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. Notice how the red trapezoid and the square, they both have the same number of sides. However, they are different sizes. That's pretty interesting, right? So let's go ahead and trace these shapes. So as you can see here, there is a dotted line in the middle that I'm going to trace. When I trace it, we can clearly see that there are 2 equal parts to a trapezoid. So I'm going to trace the 2. Okay. Now if I look at the next shape, this is a triangle. And if I trace this triangle right here facing downward in the middle, I can see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So we're going to trace the 4. And then lastly, we have a square, right? And this square is divided into how many equal parts? How many equal parts does this square have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has 4 equal parts. All right. So now I'm going to turn the page over, and this is now page 682, and we're going to read what they're telling us up here, okay? A whole can be separated into equal parts or equal shares. Equal parts of the whole are the same size. So this is a whole. This is one whole square. And then we're taking this whole square and making it into equal parts, okay? So here is a square, and by drawing the line right across and in the middle, we take this whole square and divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, okay? Then we have this whole green square here, but they only drew one line down, right? So now we've divided this whole square into 1, 2 equal parts. All right? So now it says, write how many equal parts? Look at number 1. So it looks like they took a whole square and just divided it into how many equal parts? 1, 2 equal parts. Okay, look, 1, 2. Number 2, it looks like they took a whole circle and they went ahead and divided it into 1, 2, 3, and 4 equal parts. 4. All right. Now here it says draw lines to show equal parts. So on number 3, they want us to make this whole triangle into 2 equal parts. So do I have to just draw one line down, or should I draw 2 lines? I'm going to just draw one line because I only want 2 equal parts. So now see, I have 1 equal part, 2 equal parts. All right. Number 4, they want us to take this whole rectangle and divide it into 4 equal parts. So that means I have to draw 2 lines. I'm going to have to draw one across and one downward. So now we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 equal parts. All right, great job. Now I'm going to turn, oh, we're all done. So that is the end of this lesson or for this page, and then I will see you in the next video. Great job, friends.